If you're only using LinkedIn to scroll or job hunt, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to build a powerful brand. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just trying to grow your personal brand, LinkedIn is the platform to get seen, get leads, and get respected in your industry. In this video, I'll show you actionable tips for both personal and business branding on LinkedIn that actually work in 2025. LinkedIn has over 1 billion users globally, but most brands and professionals aren't leveraging it the right way. Your LinkedIn profile or business page is your digital storefront. People check it before they work with you. Let's start with your personal brand. Your profile picture, banner, and headline are prime real estate. Use a high-quality headshot, a clear value-driven headline, and a banner that reflects what you do. Tell your story in first person. Highlight what you do, who you help, and why it matters. End with a strong CTA. LinkedIn rewards consistency. Share insights, tips, personal experiences, and even client wins. Be human, be helpful. If your business doesn't have a company page, you're missing visibility. It's free and easy to set up. Make sure your team members list your business properly and represent the brand consistently in their own profiles. Use your company page to post updates, behind the scenes, blog links, and employee highlights. Ask your team to like, comment, or repost your business content. It increases reach dramatically. Use 3-5 relevant hashtags in your posts. Comment on posts from your target audience. Use LinkedIn polls and carousels to boost engagement. Add a custom CTA link to your profile if available. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a company, building your brand on LinkedIn is one of the smartest moves in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital branding tips, and drop a comment if you want me to audit your LinkedIn profile in a future video.